Large format sublimation printer. Feedback from our machines on print accuracy, color, and stability is excellent. Low after-sales maintenance costs, and a long warranty. This is by far the best-selling model. This machine uses I3200 Double print heads. High printing accuracy and fast speed. For pass printing speed of 40 square meters per hour, printing colors are more vivid and color saturation is higher. .8 meters large print size meet wide range of print jobs for your business. Uses bidirectional imported motors, high precision drive for more stable operation. Imported THK linear guideway. No noise, lunar movement, more stable printing, and extended machine life. Intelligent temperature control for front and rear heating. Intelligent drying system, synchronized with printing, energy saving. Multifunctional control panel, one-click operation of key functions. Automatic double feeding and take-up system. Secondary ink cartridge. Secondary ink supply system, continuous printing for a long time, ensuring the output printing effect. If you want to print on transfer paper to press image onto many items, like t-shirt, puff, caps etc., using our sublimation printer is your choice.